जोन में भी हम शायद, या हमारी लाइफ लाइन में भी, टाइम में भी हम ऐसी कोई टर्न अराउंड कुछ शायद देखने को हमें भी मिले, क्योंकि ये तो जब हुआ था तब तो मैं तो पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था, तो शायद मुझे भी कुछ देखने को मिले यहाँ पर।
Anuji, I've asked this question to many senior people in the market with 40, 50 years experience. And the question goes as this: what is the best decade to invest in the Indian market? Was it the 80s? Was it the 90s? Was it 2000? Was it 2020? And uniformly, all the old timers tell me
90s.
the best decade to invest in India is the next decade. Okay? The future is brighter than the past. हम लोग इतने पैसे बनाए हैं. I used to feel the same way in the 80s when I came back. ये लोग पैसे बना चुके, ACC के सट्टे में बना चुके, IT से बना चुके, अब मेरे पास क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी. वो तो कुछ थी नहीं अपॉर्चुनिटी तो नेक्स्ट 40 years में मालूम पड़ी. यही जो अपॉर्चुनिटी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट 10-20 years, it'll be the age of entrepreneurship in India. There'll be so many changes in energy, so many changes in technology, that there are entrepreneurs, even in an advanced country like America, you say that America में कहाँ opportunity मिलती है. In the last 20 years, you got Google, you got Facebook, you got
Absolutely.
Nvidia, you got so many Tesla, you got so many companies out there. So opportunity is always there.
सब यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ने बिल्कुल.
As we go through capitalism, it requires change, death, and rebirth. Okay, and people who understand that will continue to profit from it.
तो इंडिया में आपको लगता है अगले 10-20 साल में काफी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आएंगे?
100%. There's absolutely zero doubt in my mind. There's absolutely zero doubt. It'll be good time for stock market. It'll be good time for investors, and it'll be good time for entrepreneurship in India. I think democracy almost demands that. As the best example is that whether you look in the America S&P 500 or look in the Sensex 30, look at where they were in 1980 and look at where they're 2040, 50 years later, 60 years later. Most of the components have left. They're new companies, new blood, new ideas.
So like in life, in stock market, best is yet to come.
I would think so, Anuj. I would definitely think so. I'm hopeful. So I may not live to see another 10-20 years of what's happened in the stock market. But if you ask me, I feel that the investing for the next 30 years is as much fun as it was the last 30 years. And as Warren Buffett said, that if he could have a pill to live longer, he'd give up a large part of his money, but he would retain his, wisdom and his health. So he could continue to invest and see the great Indian experiment what happens.
नहीं रमेश सर, आप की हेल्थ बहुत शानदार है और एकदम फिट हैं आप, और मैं चाहूँगा कि अगले 20-30 साल तक आप ऐसे फिट रहें और हम हमारे साथ इस तरीके से ज्ञान बांटते रहें. थैंक यू सो मच.